Stop for a second and think about the last time you trusted a sales campaign to do the job. The last time you leaned on automated workflows, machine-tuned funnels, or AI chatbots to close deals? Did it feel like magic? Like you cracked the code? Or did it feel like cold noise and lost opportunities slipping through your fingers? Because here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. Automated campaigns are powerful, but they are not sales. They do not replace the grit, the raw skill, the emotional intelligence you bring when you pick up the phone, look someone in the eye, and sell not a product, but a vision, a future. The problem? You've been sold a lie that tech will do the heavy lifting. That automation can replace the human playbook. It can't. And that frustrates you every time your numbers dip, every time a prospect ghosts you, every time you see leads pile up but nothing turning into revenue. You feel stuck in this trap, caught between scaling fast and holding the irreplaceable human touch. But here's the kicker. Throwing your hands up and blaming the tech or the market is exactly what the system wants you to do. The system that breeds mediocrity by rewarding the safe, automated rinse-repeat scripts, the system that drowns individuality in a sea of metrics and dashboards. This is where founders, investors, and leaders like you miss the point. The real power lies in mastering the brutal art of human sales skills and then innovating around it, not the other way around. The formula isn't automation first, it's human first, automation second. Don't get this wrong, automating repetitive parts is necessary. Use tech to handle the grunt work, the follow-ups, the data crunching, but the moment a human being steps in, that's when the magic starts. That's when you build trust, shift mindsets, and close deals that no machine will ever dream of closing. Here's what must happen if you want to crush it in today's chaotic market. Obsess over understanding your buyer, not from static data points, but through deep, relentless curiosity. Set up automated campaigns as a net, but spend most of your energy mastering the art of conversation that cuts through noise and reaches the soul of the problem your customer faces. Train your team like Olympic athletes in empathy, in storytelling, in reading between the lines. Equip them to push beyond scripts, to adjust to the unpredictable human dance of sales, to own every interaction as if their life depended on it. Stop treating sales as a checkbox. Run your campaigns with surgical precision, but let your humans be warriors. Don't tolerate robotic pitches disguised as scalable solutions. Fight for each connection with fire. Use AI and automation not to replace your people, but to enhance their sharpness, their reflexes, their instincts. Integrate real-time feedback loops from every call, every email, every chat, then pivot on that intelligence like a predator. This is how you turn the tide. This is how you break the illusion that freedom and growth come from hands-off systems. This isn't about nostalgia for the good old days. It's about transcending the broken narrative the system feeds you. You're not just founders, investors, or leaders. You are rare individuals wired to rewrite the rules. Own that. Push every automated tool to serve your human force, not the other way around. Build your go-to-market machine powered by insight, adaptability, and heart. Tear down the illusion that scale means sacrificing soul. Scale with soul. Lead campaigns that beat not by algorithms, but by relentless human will and genius. If you want to unleash real growth, not the fake noise pumped by machines, rewire your approach right now. Automate the boring stuff, obsess over the human stuff, and demand that your teams master the art of connection with savage intensity. Stop settling for low-touch, low-impact sales. Make your sales campaigns human-first, emotion-driven, unpredictably brilliant machines. That's the only way to win. That's the future you have to build today. No shortcuts, no illusions, just fierce, unapologetic human power backed by smart automation. Get out there and claim it.